Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and you have to not received any verification code like WhatsApp and any other verification code not received on your iPhone. So how to fix this problem? So keep watching this video until the end. So guys, open setting application on your iPhone. So guys, this is a temporary glitch on your iPhone. Simply turn on airplane mode and after few seconds turn back off. I hope your problem will be solved. After that, see the next some settings. Guys, here is open messages and make sure iMessage feature turn on from here. And after that, simply tap on notification and make sure allow notification turn on. And after that, simply go back from here. And now guys, see the next setting, tap on phone and now scroll until end, tap on blocked contact. And guys, any block contact on your iPhone, simply remove it for a specific time. You can remove by this method any block contact. Now close this window and see the next solution must be simply turn on control center and make sure your do not disturb turn off. Here is turn off from here and go back. So guys, I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. If your problem not solved and you have to not receive any verification code, so simply restart your iPhone. Simply volume up button, volume down button and press power button until you will see this screen. Simply slide here and turn off your iPhone, and after few seconds or minute you can turn back on. So guys, I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. If your problem not solved, you can delete your WhatsApp and install again from the App Store. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.